Today I am reviewing the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. One of the first things you notice when using this vacuum is the lift-away functionality. This is not just a small feature. It completely changes the way you clean. With a single press, the main pod detaches from the vacuum, allowing you to clean stairs, shelves, upholstery, and hard-to-reach corners without dragging the full upright body behind you. Many vacuums claim to work well on stairs, but the Shark NV352 actually makes the process comfortable. The detachable pod is light enough to carry with one hand, and the suction power remains consistent even when you're cleaning above-floor surfaces. Another standout feature is the anti-allergen complete seal technology paired with a true HEPA filter. This combination helps trap dust, pollen, pet dander, and even tiny airborne particles inside the vacuum instead of releasing them back into the air. For households with allergies or pets, this can make a noticeable difference. Many vacuums rely on basic filtration systems that allow fine dust to escape, but the sealed system on the NV352 is designed to keep everything trapped until you empty the dust cup. Over time, this helps create a cleaner and healthier breathing environment in your home. Despite its strong suction, the Shark NV352 is surprisingly lightweight. You can move around the house without much effort, and the swivel steering makes it simple to navigate around furniture, tight corners, and obstacles. Whether you're cleaning the living room or moving through a hallway filled with chairs and side tables, the vacuum responds smoothly to small turns of the wrist. This makes it easier for anyone to use, from older adults to busy parents who need something quick and maneuverable. Another detail that adds to its versatility is the brushroll shutoff. With one switch, you can move from deep carpet cleaning to gentle bare floor cleaning without scattering dust or damaging sensitive surfaces. Carpets require aggressive bristle action to lift dirt that gets trapped in the fibers, but hardwood floors need a softer approach. The Shark NV352 handles both with ease, allowing you to switch modes instantly depending on where you're cleaning. For pet owners, this vacuum brings a huge benefit. The included wide upholstery tool is designed specifically for picking up stubborn pet hair from furniture, cushions, car interiors, and fabric surfaces. Pets shed daily, and their hair tends to weave itself into upholstery fibers, but this attachment lifts hair efficiently without requiring multiple passes. The strong suction combined with the included 12-inch crevice tool gives you the ability to clean corners, baseboards, and narrow areas where dirt and pet hair often collect. It's these simple but effective attachments that make the NV352 suitable for households with dogs, cats, or multiple pets. In terms of durability and reliability, Shark offers a 5-year limited warranty, showing confidence in the build quality. Many vacuums in this price range offer only 1 or 2 years of coverage, so having 5 years of support adds real value. The vacuum itself is made either in the United States or imported, depending on the batch, but overall the construction feels solid, stable, and well-engineered. The parts fit together securely. The dust cup is easy to detach and empty, and the filters can be removed for cleaning without much hassle. Another practical benefit is how easy the vacuum is to maintain. The dust canister opens with a simple release, so you can empty it directly into the trash. For regular cleaning, you can wash the filters, allow them to dry, and reinstall them without needing to buy replacements frequently. This helps reduce long-term costs and keeps the vacuum running efficiently for years. Overall, the Shark NV352 Navigator Lift-Away Upright Vacuum offers strong, long-lasting suction, excellent maneuverability, and true versatility for carpets, stairs, furniture, and bare floors. It is powerful enough for deep cleaning, yet lightweight enough for everyday use. The lift-away design makes above-floor cleaning simple. The anti-allergen seal and HEPA filter make the air cleaner and fresher, and the attachments make it a strong choice for homes with pets. This vacuum delivers performance that holds up over time, and that is why it continues to be one of the most trusted and widely recommended upright vacuum for households looking for a reliable cleaning solution.